Welcome back to Cars of Queens. It's happened to us all. We parked next to a construction site. The cement truck comes. They get cement all over your tires, all over this car. Check it out, guys. So right now we're going to be filming an purely educational video on how to get the cement off your tires, New York City style. We're going to be demonstrating on my 2004 Ford Crown Victoria. The cement truck conveniently came and got cement all over my tires. Look at that, guys. You want to get to this shit before it hardens. And I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that. So I'm making no guarantees, no warranties. Try this at home at your own risk, okay? No guarantees, but it gets the job done. All right, folks, just like that, no more cement on your tires. That is how it's done, you guys. Just do a couple rocking horses, go from park to reverse, back to park, back to drive, do all that, and you're gonna have a cement-free Ford Crown Victoria. Try this home at your own risk, you guys. I would not recommend actually doing this, but it's just so much fun doing burnouts in this car. And I figured I gotta remove that cement anyway. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe.